mid-range. Pretty simple. And my gloves, which are just work gloves with a few modifications. This arming belt is just a regular belt with batleth. That's the thing that holds my sword. We have this helmet with my crown of foam. My helmet with, it's made out of a pair of pants, so it's got a pocket. So it's got this fabric on the back, and the pocket's just really nice. Oh, I forgot I had this in. I also have the Ring of Sauron in it with my necklace, which I can put on. So that's my helmet. Then I have my Ranger face mask. If we stand back up, we have my sleeves, which are attached in the back, which in this case can come off, like so. And then on my legs, we have this, peels down, have it for both legs, and it's pretty cool. Also, this shirt has a texture that looks kind of like chainmail, so it goes great with everything else. That's my King Arthur /Knight / Lord of the Rings something cosplay.